To automatically enable sleep mode at a scheduled time on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to add a sleep schedule to the sleep mode. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap sleep, tap turn on automatically. Under suggested condition section, tap sleep schedule. Here you can adjust your sleep schedule duration. Move the bed icon to set the time when the sleep mode should start. And move the alarm icon to set the time when the sleep mode should end. As the example, we will set it from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. the next day. Next, select the days you want the sleep mode to be turned on automatically. By default, it's set to every day. And then you can customize other settings to fit your need, like enable or disable wake up alarm, use alarm sound or not, use vibration or not, use the snooze option or not, and change the alarm background. Once you are done customizing, tap save button and then tap done button to save the change. With this setting, now your phone will automatically enable sleep mode at a scheduled time. In this case, the sleep mode will be enabled automatically from 9 p.m. until 5 a.m. the next day, every day. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.